Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to Sir Assidiq. So today we are going to present our mini project 2 that we have done. So before we start, we are going to introduce ourselves. So my name is Muhammad Adam bin AZZIZI with the registration number 01GT21F1002. So mini project 2 is the continuation of mini project 1. So let's start with the test plan first. So for our mini project 1, we have made a proposal about automated inventory management system for a retail store. So the test plan is crucial to ensure the effective implementation and functionality of our system. So the test plan encompasses various aspects of our automated inventory management system, including input validation, data integrity, system performance, and user acceptance. It consists of several main elements. So let's explore each of them in detail. First, we have unit testing. In this phase, we will test individual system components such as input forms, data validation functions, and database operations. The goal is to verify that each component functions correctly and produces the expected output. Next, we move on to integration testing. Here, we will examine how well our manager/employee system, report system, and inventory management system work together. We want to ensure that data flows smoothly between these components and that the expected functionality is maintained. System testing is the next important step. We will test the entire system as a whole to ensure that all components work seamlessly together. It is essential to verify that all system requirements are met, including input validation, data accuracy, and report generation. Performance testing is crucial for evaluating the system performance under different scenarios. We will test the system under various conditions, including concurrent user requests and large data sets. Tracking turnaround time for critical tasks such as generating reports and updating inventory records is vital. Moving on to user acceptance testing, we will involve our end users, including store employees and managers, in testing the system. Their feedback on usability, intuitiveness, and overall satisfaction with the system is invaluable. It is essential to ensure that the system meets their needs and expectations. Regression testing plays a significant role in maintaining system stability. After system updates or bug fixes, we will conduct regression testing to ensure that existing functionality is not affected. Our goal is to make sure that the system remains reliable and robust. Lastly, we have security testing. Ensuring the security of our automated inventory management system is paramount. We will test the system security measures, including user authentication and data protection. Identifying vulnerabilities and ensuring that sensitive data is properly secured are critical objectives. So that concludes the overview of our test plan for the automated inventory management system designed for retail stores. By following this plan diligently, we will be able to guarantee the effectiveness, reliability, and security of our system. Now, let's proceed with the implementation of this plan. So, EZZAT are going to continue with the implementation of this plan. That is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, Sir Assidiq. My name is Muhammad AZZIZI. My matrix number is 01DDT21F1078. Right now, I will present about the implementation. So the system design is converted into a functional solution during the implementation phase. Following the crucial steps in the implementation process. Point A is development environment setup, which is set up the necessary development tools, frameworks, and databases required for the implementation. B is database design and creation, which is design and build a database schema that depicts the data structure of the inventory management system. Implement necessary tables, relationships, and constraints to store and manage data effectively. C. User interface development. So develop user-friendly interfaces for different system components such as input forms, reports, and dashboards. Ensure that the interfaces are intuitive and provide easy navigation. Next is point D, which is backend development. So it implement the system's business logic and features such as inventory management, stock replacement, and report creation. Connect the backend with the database and user interface. E. Integration and testings. Integrate the different system components and perform thorough testing using the test plan developed earlier. Next is address any issues or bugs discovered during the test phase. Point F is the deployment, which is install the inventory management system in the production environment, making sure that all necessary stakeholders can access it. And last is set up necessary security measures, backups, and monitoring system.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to Mr. Assidiq. So now I will continue the presentation. Before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is MUHAIMIN bin ZALANI. My matric number is 01DT21F151. So now I will continue the part of me about the limitation. It is critical to recognize the constraints of the suggested inventory management system, which promise to increase effectiveness and automate number of activities. Some possible restrictions include: first, the initial cost and time investment. Implementing an automated inventory management system requires an initial investment in hardware, software, and development resource. The implement process may take time, leading to temporary disruption in the existing manual inventory management process. Next, B. Learning curve and training. Employees may require to adapt to the new system and its features. Until users become accustomed to the system features, the learning curve associated with it may initially have impact on productivity. Next slide. Next slide is the system dependencies, which is C. The inventory management system ability to function effectively is dependent on outside element, including dependable hardware, consistent internet access, and interface with other systems, such as point of sale system. Any issue with these dependencies could impact the system performance. D. Scalability. The system should be designed to handle a growing number of product transactions and users. Ensuring scalability may require periodic system upgrades or enhancements. And the last is the maintenance and support. In order to handle any problem, implement upgrades and guarantee the system continuous security and functionality. Ongoing maintenance and support will be necessary. So now, as a conclusion, the proposed inventory management system aims to enhance the retail store inventory management process by automating various tasks, such as tracking inventory levels, managing stock replenishment, and generating reports. By implementing the system, the store can improve efficiency, reduce manual errors, and make better informed decisions. In order to satisfy the needs of stakeholders, The system design incorporate input requirement, output requirement, processing requirement, performance requirement, and control requirements. A true knowledge of the system functionality is ensured by the data flow diagrams, which give a visual representation of the system parts and data flows. Throughout test plan that addresses unit testing, integration testing, system testing, performance testing, user acceptability testing, regression testing, and security testing is crucial to ensuring the system. This will make it easier to find and fix any problem before deployment. While there are many advantages to propose inventory management system, it's vital to take into account its drawback, such as initial expenses, training needs, system dependency, scalability, and continued maintenance and support. So that's all from us. Thank you.